In this video, we'll see SD Fixit's head technician Marcos replacing the cracked LCD digitizer on the iPhone 6. This repair is being performed at Kobey Swapmeet, where you'll find SD Fixit every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, where we repair iPhones, iPads, and iPods while you wait. Most repairs only take 20 minutes and include a 30-day warranty. SD Fixit is conveniently located at Kearny Mesa and Oceanside throughout the week. We repair PCs, notebooks, smartphones, digital cameras, and other devices. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe.